Hello everyone. So today's topic of discussion, that is the Compton effect. So myself Nitin Tupsaminder, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. So we are going to discussing the topic, the Compton effects. So this Compton effect, it is the basis of light has a particle nature. So all of you already know that light had a wave nature. But this Compton effect shows that light has a particle nature also. So here is the Compton scattering experiment or Compton effect experiment. So what is Compton scattering light or what is Compton effect? So see here, this is the incident photon. So what is incident photon? Incident photon is nothing but incident radiations or incident light. So what happened in this experiment, that incident light, it is bombarded on this electron which is at the rest. So this electron is present in certain materials like that of copper, like that of gold, tin. So this material or some certain elements having loosely bonded electrons. So what is happening here? So this incident photon is bombarded on this target electron which is as the rays. Then there will be formation of scattering of light or scattering of photon. So one side you see here, there is the recoil electron and this is the scattered photon. So what happened? Here is the equation of this Compton scattering of light. So what happened in this experiment? In this experiment, the greater the angle of scatter, the more energy is lost by the photon. So when that light radiations is bombarded on that electron, so there will be formation of scattering of light or scattering of formation of light, that is the angle which is formed, that angle is greater, then more energy is lost by the photon. So it is considered that the greater the angle of scatter, the more energy lost by the proton. So see here, this is the Einstein equation. So all of you know that what happened in Einstein's equations, E is equal to mc square. That is, E is the energy, m is nothing but mass, c is the speed of light, h is the Planck's constant, and delta is the wavelength. So here again it is true that loss of energy is always equal to increase in wavelength. So loss of energy is always increase in wavelength. So wavelength is nothing but energy. So greater the wavelength, loss of energy is more and more. So again, so this is the experiment of Compton effect, lab experiment. So this is original or lab experiment which shows that scattering of light effect. This is the light radiations, this material, this is the electron, and there is the angle, scatter of angle. So this is original experiment which is done in the lab. So this is graph which shows that greater the angle of scatter, more energy is lost by the photon. And this is the material, that material shows Compton effect, copper. This is nickel, gold, silver. The material shows Compton effect. Iron also shows this Compton effect. Zinc also shows Compton effect. Again, lead, tin, and antimony also shows Compton effect. This is the picture of original copper metal. This is the picture of sulfur metal. Thank you all of you.